Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a Tibetan soup recipe and it's called Mokthuk. It's basically a dumpling or momo soup known for its heartwarming flavors that are best for chilly days. So do try them during the winters and I'm sure you will love this recipe so much. And now let's begin with the making of Mokthuk. So first we will roughly chop some veggies to make a flavorful stock. And here I am roughly chopping half of an onion. Next I will crush and roughly chop 2 large garlic pods. Then here I have taken a medium portion of ginger which I will roughly slice lengthwise. Also I will include a carrot which has been peeled and washed, and I will cut them diagonally in this way. And here I have taken a small portion of cabbage and I will roughly separate the layers in this way. Then here are some Bok Choy or Pak Choi which has been thoroughly washed, and now I will separate the leafy part and the bulbous portion. The leafy part I will add later in the soup and the bulbous portion I will include while making the stock. And in this way I have separated the Bok Choy in 2 parts. Alright. Then we will also need some spring onions, and here also we'll separate the white part and the green part, which I will slice diagonally and will be added in the soup later when it's almost ready to be served. And lastly we will include some coriander or cilantro which will impart a fresh and lovely flavor to our mokthuk. I'll finally chop them and will include the soft stems as well, as they have so much flavors. So chopping of all the ingredients has been done. Now coming to the momo making part. Well, since I've already uploaded a video earlier on how to make chicken momos at home along with spicy momo chutney, so I will not go into that detail. In order to save time, today I'll be using frozen momos from Wow Momo. In one package you'll get 20 pieces. So if you are in a hurry or you want quick and filling dinner, then you can try them. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we need to heat sufficient water in a large vessel or pot, and into it first we will add the roughly chopped onion, ginger, garlic. Then goes the chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, the bulbous portion of Pak Choi or Bok Choy. Next goes the white stalk or white part of spring onion, as well as 3 to 4 chicken pieces with bones, as this will give a flavorful stock. But if you want to make veg mokthuk, then you can skip this. And now we will season the stock with some salt as per taste, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll mix this well. And as the stock comes to a boil, we will lower the flame, and on low flame we will cover and let the stock simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. It's almost 30 minutes. Let's check this once. So as you can see, our flavorful stock is ready. So I will turn off the flame now. Next we'll place a soup strainer over a glass bowl and pour the stock over it. And this flavorful stock will make the soup of our Tibetan Mokthuk with some more ingredients to follow. And our base for the soup is ready. Next we'll add a teaspoon of oil in a large cooking pot. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pot, and when the oil is hot enough we will add 2 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic along with some finely chopped chilies. We'll saute them well until the raw smell of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown and aromatic. And once these are fried well, we will add the flavorful stock into it along with some more water. We'll stir this once. Next into this goes 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce. We'll mix this well. And now we will let this soup simmer on low to medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes or until it comes to a boil. And as the soup starts to boil, we will add the chicken dumplings or chicken momos one by one. And now we will cook the momos on high flame for another 6 to 8 minutes or until they start to float on top of the soup. And by now the momos are also cooked well. At this stage, we'll add the green leafy part of the bok choy. Remember to add them just 1 to 2 minutes before turning off the flame. And along with this, we will add the chopped coriander or cilantro as well as the chopped spring onions. We'll mix this once. And now we will let the soup simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes so that the fresh flavors of cilantro and spring onions is well imparted in the soup. And just look at this. This mokthuk is looking so very tempting. So let's serve them hot right now. And friends, here goes our hot, flavorful and heartwarming Tibetan Mokthuk, which is so very good to enjoy during the chilly winters. So I hope you will try this recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.